Hello guys, so welcome to my channel and this is your part 4 of the polynomials MCQ series. In this MCQ series we are solving these MCQs 6 to 13. In previous video we have solved 1 to 5 MCQs. Okay, now we are moving on this sixth question. A quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are minus 3 and 4. You are given with the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. As you know that the structure of the quadratic polynomial, if the sum and product are given of the zeros, so x square minus sx plus p, this is your quadratic polynomial. Here s is your sum and p is your product of zeros. Okay, sum of zeros and product of zeros. Okay, here s is given. What is s? S is minus 3, 4 is product. S is minus 3 and product is 4. So quadratic polynomial will be x square minus 3x plus p is your 4. So quadratic polynomial become x square plus 3x plus 4. This is your quadratic polynomial, x square plus 3x plus 4. X square plus 3x plus 4. There is none other options. So none of the above is your correct option. Okay, the quadratic polynomial is x square plus 3x plus 4. Now we are moving on. Next question. A quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 2. Now how can we solve this? We can solve in many ways. See, if you can put in options, you are given with the zeros, means the value of x for which the quadratic polynomial becomes 0. You can put these values in your options, and if the polynomial is coming out 0, then they are zeros. Or what you can do in this, you can sum. You can find sum of these and product of these, and you can finally generate a quadratic polynomial using this x square minus sx plus p. Now you are given with 3 by 5 and you are given with minus 1 by 2. First we will do sum. Okay, 3 by 5 plus minus 1 by 2. Okay, what will come? 10 LCM. Okay, 5 to the 10, 6 minus 5. It will come 1 by 10. So sum is 1 by 10. Now product, multiply 3 by 5 into minus 1 by 2. It will be minus 3 by 10. So what will be the polynomial? X square minus x by 10 plus product. So minus 3 by 10. So your quadratic polynomial will come 10x square minus x minus 3. This is your quadratic polynomial when you will multiply with whole by 10. So 10x square minus x minus 3. So first option is your correct option. Okay. See how we come to this when we put equals to 0.8, because we are doing the question by given the zeros 3 by 5 and minus half, the given zeros. So we have to make the quadratic polynomial equate to 0. Right hand side equals to 0. Now when we will multiply 10 with 10 both side, right hand side also multiply by 10, left hand side also multiply by 10, your quadratic polynomial will come 10x square minus x minus 3, and your first option will be correct option. Okay, now 8th question. A quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are 0 and 5. Okay, now this time 0 and 5. The sum is 0 and product is 5. So quadratic polynomial will be x square minus 0 into x plus product is 5. So it will be x square plus 5. This is your quadratic polynomial. X square plus 5, second option is your correct option. Now next, a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 and minus 3. Now here you can put in options like first we will put 1. That in first option when we will put 1 in place of x, it will come 0. No, it will not come 0. Okay. Second option 1 plus 2, 3, 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. When we put 1, it is 0. Okay. Now we will check for minus 3. When we put minus 3 in place of x, the value of x minus 3. So 9 minus 6 minus 3. 9 minus 9, 0. Okay. So second option is your correct option. We just put the values for x in the options. Okay, so second option will be your correct option. Either you can also do first find the sum and product of these two zeros, and put it as x square minus sx plus p. You will be having your answer. Okay. So now moving on next question, 10th question. A quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are -5 and 6. Okay. -5 and -6. Sum is -5, product is 6. So quadratic polynomial will be x square plus 5x plus 6. Simple. Okay. X square plus 5x plus 6. Third option is your correct option. Next question. Which are the zeros of polynomial px? A polynomial is px, which is x square plus 3x minus 10. We have to find out this zero. Okay. What is the polynomial x square plus 3x minus 10? We have to find zero. So we have to equate to 0. Okay. Now you can solve using quadratic formula, or either you can put the options, or either you can do it by factorization. Okay, so we will factorize it. X square, x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 is equals to 0. We will take x common, x plus 5 minus 2 common, x plus 5 is equals to 0. So x plus 5 common, x minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, when we will put x plus 5 is equals to 0, 1 0 will be minus 5. When we will put x minus 2 is equals to 0, 1 0 will be 2. So zeros are -5, 2. Check your options. -5, 2. Second option is your correct option. Okay. Next, again we have to find the zeros for a polynomial which is 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Okay. We will solve it here. Yes. Sixth question. Okay. Numbers are like this. We have solved in notebook, and some we have solved in this only worksheets. Okay. So we have to find the zeros for 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Okay. Here also either you can put your options, or you can factorize it, or you can solve by quadratic formula. Now we will factorize it. 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Okay. But we know 6 3 is 18. And 18 is multiplying x square. Okay. Minus 18x square. And we have to split minus 7x. So we can have this minus 9x plus 2x. When you will sum it, it will be minus 7x. When you will multiply them, it will come minus 18x square. Okay. So this is the best factorization. 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay. Minus 3 is equals to 0. Now 3x common, 2x minus 3 plus 1 common, 2x minus 3. From here 2x minus 3 take common. Here will be 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. When you will put this equal to 0, x would be 3 by 2. And when you will put this is equals to 0, x will be minus 1 by 3. So the zeros are 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. You can check your options. None other options are matching. Okay. So answer will be none of these. Okay. Okay. Now we are moving on last question. Which are the zeros of polynomial x square plus 7x plus 12? Okay. This is the last question. Okay. Polynomial is x square plus 7x plus 12. We have to find the zeros. Okay. For 0, we will put equals to 0. Now we will factorize it. Okay. We will factorize it. 12x square कि भाई मल्टीप्लाई करे तो 12x स्क्वायर आए, और उनका सम करे तो 7x आए. यानी 4 3 जा 12 होता है, 4 प्लस 3 7 होता है. तो इजिली वी कैन फैक्टराइज इट. x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 3x plus 12 is equals to 0. Okay. X common, x plus 4 plus 3 common, x plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay. X plus 4 take as common, x plus 3 is equals to 0. When you will put x plus 4 is equals to 0, 1 0 will be minus 4, or another 0 will be minus 3. Okay. So the two zeros are minus 4 comma minus 3. -4, -3. C option is your correct option. So this is your part 4 of the video, and we have completed our MCQs, and one sheet is also left. So 2 parts will be there in your next videos. Kindly subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Thank you. Namaskar.